today's video, we are going to talk about what do you do next? You've decided to open up this Teachers Pay Teachers store. Now what? Or maybe you've had a Teachers Pay Teachers store for maybe a year or so and you're thinking, I need a plan. Do you need a plan? Yeah, plan's good. Anyways, we're going to talk about 3 possible plans for you and your store. Stay tuned! Hey everyone, my name is Lorianne, and if you are new or returning, welcome here. It's our primary We Talk Teacher Side Hustles. Happy New Year 2022. It's crazy. It's been crazy. And just I'll give you a personal note. It's been a hard couple weeks. I have a cat with inoperable cancer. Not the one I was talking about back in November, the sister. So she's on her last legs, and yeah, you just gotta keep going. Anyways, let's talk your Teachers Pay Teachers store. First of all, I think when I started my Teachers Pay Teachers store, I was told this is how you do it, right? And I started doing that and all the things that they said you had to do. And I have since realized that there are multiple ways you can build a Teachers Pay Teacher store, because after all, this is your business. So you can do whatever you want. It's your business. But what I have found is that in many of the Facebook groups I belong to, when a teacher seller talks about they've hit the first Teachers Pay Teachers milestone, which is 20,000 in earnings, I tend to start asking questions like, did you have a plan? and what did you do? And da da da. And there seems to be 3 main ways that teachers are doing this. And again, let me just throw it out there. I'm not saying these are the only ways. There are tons of ways, because you can do it, as I said, you can do it your own way. But when I was starting, I was only told one way. And I really wish they had said to me, here's 3 possible scenarios, pick one. But they didn't. I am going to share those 3 with you, and then you can make a little bit more of an educated guess, okay? Or you can make a more of an educated decision on how to do it. And honestly, you don't need my permission. I am not the be-all, end-all with this. I do get emails saying, what do I do? You can do whatever you want, but let me just share these 3, and hopefully that'll give you a little bit better direction, okay? All right, let's do a little flip thing. Okay, number 1, Teachers Pay Teachers only. I said it. I had someone ask me this. I know who they are. They know who they are. A year ago, and they said, can I just build a Teachers Pay Teachers store by itself? Just do Teachers Pay Teachers. I didn't have the answer to that. I didn't think you could, because that's not what I was told. But I have since changed my mind on this. And since then, I have met a few teacher sellers who only focused on Teachers Pay Teachers. No marketing, no email, nothing. They just focused on Teachers Pay Teachers. However, you knew there was a but or a however after that. You have to make sure everything is fully optimized. Your goal is to get your products on that first couple pages on Teachers Pay Teachers, because if you look in your dashboard where your earnings are, move to the next tab where it says traffic. It will tell you how much of your earnings comes from the TPT search. And there's videos. I'll put them all at the end. For example, say you made $150 in December and your TPT search says 145. That's telling you that people are finding your products through the TPT search. That is a big percentage of sales. That's not through Instagram, that's not through Facebook, that's not through emails, that is through the TPT search. So if that is the case, then you want to make sure your products are going to be on those couple pages so that people can see them when they're searching. It also will say, okay, if that's how people are finding me, then I need to make sure I'm using titles that are words that buyers are using, not some of these unique fancy titles that no one's using. Okay? Sorry. Ding, ding. Cha-ching. Wrong bell. Anyways, work, it never ends. It's off contract hours. So yes, if you only want to put your blinders on and focus on Teachers Pay Teachers, you can do that. But that means your covers, your thumbnails, your PDF previews, your titles, everything has to be optimized in order for you to get those sales and those big sales, not just a sale here or there. You really want to be making products that are, what people are looking for. If you're not sure what they're looking for, look in the TPT search. It'll tell you what's trending right now. And depending on how quickly you can make a product, make what's trending. Pick 1 or 2 grades and pick for that, or what you're comfortable with. There are lots of little gaps in the TPT market. Go after one of them. Okay, and I have a video, it's in my playlist, but I can do another one. Actually, I will be doing another one on SEO research and keywords, because I put a poll in the Facebook group and that's what they wanted. So I thought, fine, I'll do another one. I'm okay with it. All right. So that's path number 1. TPT only. Teachers Pay Teachers only. Number 2, Teachers Pay Teachers with marketing. Since I was told, you've got to do all the things, I heard from another really big seller that said, just pick one. Just pick one. Don't do all the things. Pick one. Pick one. If I had to pick one, knowing what I know now, I would pick email. I would get myself an opt-in and grow an email list, because that I can control. Or I would be doing Pinterest. Pinterest is, I still like Pinterest, but I'm not honestly spending a lot of time in it, because I'm just actually focusing on Teachers Pay Teachers without all the stuff. Regardless, there are multiple ways people are utilizing that one marketing technique. Email. Again, it's the one you can control. There's no algorithm involved. It's all on you. And there are a lot of sellers that will tell you that 50 to 80% of their sales come from their email list. That's a whole other video, but email would be an excellent one. Pinterest. I've done some Pinterest videos. Idea pins, static pins, video pins, move them around, make some boards, right? Again, Alexander Baxter on Instagram. What is her handle called? Terrific Teacherpreneur. I will put it right here. She's excellent for Pinterest. So look her up. And she also has a great podcast on Pinterest if you want to do Pinterest. If you want to do Instagram, the 2 people that I would look at for Instagram would be Jillian Fernandez and Basic Girl. Should have wrote these down. Basic Girl. Anyways, I will put their handles on Instagram, and I'll put them also down below in the product description. Be sure to check out the product description. There's lots of links to different things, but pick one. If you really feel like you need to do something more than just Teachers Pay Teachers, then pick one. And again, my personal recommendation would be email or Pinterest. Those would be the 2. And I've actually seen, when I am pinning 3 to 5 pins a day, I use Tailwind to schedule it all. When I am doing that, my sales usually are anywhere from 10 to 20% of my earnings. That's still not a lot for some people. Some people don't think that's worth it. I did. I thought that was worth it, especially when I'm having a good month, right? That's a decent amount of money. You decide. Okay. Number 3, and this is the one I was told. They were told that Teachers Pay Teachers is just a drop in the bucket. There is a lot of money out there. And you can make money from here and here and here and here. And honestly, diversify. Build long form content, right? That's YouTube, that's a podcast, that's a blog, right? And earn money that way too. Sell other things on the side. Maybe have a online course, right? Maybe write a book or an ebook. You're diversifying. Yes, you can make a lot of money on Teachers Pay Teachers, but there's even more money out there. And I was like, okay, I'll do that. And actually that's it was the way I interpreted the message was that is the way to go. So I went, okay, I will do that. And so yeah, I'm making money from 4 places right now, roughly. I make $120 a month on YouTube. A month I got Teachers Pay Teachers. I have Boom. I have some affiliate marketing. I have a little off my website, my blog. But it's bits and pieces. Altogether, they're not too bad. Now, one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have videos on each of these and expound upon them a little bit more. But this is just to give you an idea of these are directions that teachers have taken and have had success. You can do anything you want. And if you honestly put blinders on and just do it, still optimizing, still doing certain things, you can do really well with Teachers Pay Teachers. It's a long game. Yes, you can make fast money. I've said that at the beginning. I still say that. But if you're looking to be making upwards of 500 to 1,000 a month, this is a long game. But you can do it. You absolutely can do that. And just to give you a little update, I did not upload the last 4 Create Miss videos. Now, 7 and 8 were partially done. 9 and 10 I did not even film. Again, some life things happened, but I'm going to actually, in an upcoming video, I'm actually going to take number 7 and 8 and combine them. So basically it's about creating templates. So 7 was about creating your own terms of use. 8 was creating your own credits page. So I'm actually going to bundle them together, and have a new video on that. I have had a couple requests. I am working on those. One of them is a video on the newest VA login. What does that mean? Do you need it? Right? I will be making a video on that in the coming month. So wherever you are in the world, I hope you and your family are staying safe. Have an incredible 2022 year. We can do this. We can. Together. If you need help, ask away down below, email me, or you can find me on the Side Hustle Help for TPT and Boom Facebook group. Again, remember to answer the questions or it gets automatically declined. And we can also catch you in that video or that playlist. There's some excellent videos in that playlist. Especially, again, if you're not sure about optimization, check out the optimization videos. See ya.